Okay, so the first thing you need to do in this lesson is in this space in your book, stick in your graphs, and you've got one graph for the concentration with the reaction of hydrochloric acid and calcium carbonate, and you've got a second graph showing the results for surface area, again with calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Once you've got them stuck into your page, let's just talk to you through these bits. In the first experiment we did, we changed the concentration of the acid. Now, the variable that we change means that we have to keep everything else the same so that we get reliable results. So the variables that we keep the same, we keep the temperature the same. We keep the temperature the same by carrying it out at room temperature. And we know that if we change the temperature, for example, it gets hotter, the reaction will go faster because the particles got more energy and there's more chance of successful collisions. The second variable that we kept the same, we kept the surface area of the calcium carbonate, so we used the same size pieces. And in each experiment, we use small pieces because, again, we know if we change surface area, we will affect the rate of the chemical reaction. And the final thing we did, we kept the volume that we use in each experiment the same. And in our experiments, we measured out 50 centimeters cubed because we know if we add more, we potentially change the chance of those particles colliding and reacting. In the second experiment we did, we changed the surface area, so we changed the size of the calcium carbonate. Some groups use large, some groups use medium, some use small. And in this experiment, this means we have to keep the following things the same. So we kept the concentration of the acid the same. In each experiment, we used 1 mole per decimeter cubed. Again, we kept the temperature the same, we kept it at room temperature, and we kept the volume of acid the same in each one. In both experiments, the thing that we measured the time taken. Oh, let me just put that back on for you. We measured the time taken to collect the gas that was being produced. So in both experiments, we use a stopwatch to measure the time taken to collect the gas. Now, with this information, see if you can complete the sections in your notebook.